Yo, if you're serious about machine learning and want a real roadmap to go from zero to building actual AI projects, listen up. First, why even bother with ML? AI isn't some distant future anymore. It's everywhere, running your phone's face unlock, recommending your Spotify jams, even powering self-driving cars. Knowing ML means you're not just a consumer of tech, you're a creator, a game changer. The money's good, the demand insane, but don't get it twisted. It's not magic or some quick hack, it's hard work, learning math, coding, and building projects that actually solve problems. So let's start with the basics. Step one, Python. This is your weapon of choice. It's simple to learn, has tons of libraries, and is the backbone of ML development. Don't just skim through syntax, get deep with data structures, loops, functions, and object-oriented programming. Then get comfy with NumPy and Pandas. Think of them as supercharged Excel. You'll manipulate data, arrays, tables with ease. Pro tip, code every single day. Build little things, even dumb scripts. The practice compounds. Now don't freak out, but step two is math. Yeah, math. But you don't need to be a math wizard. Focus on linear algebra, understand vectors, matrices, and how data is represented. Then stats, get your head around mean, variance, probability distributions, and hypothesis testing. Calculus, just the basics of derivatives and gradients, because that's how ML models learn, by tweaking parameters to reduce error. If you nail these, you'll actually understand what's going on under the hood instead of blindly copying code. Once you have the math and Python basics locked, it's time to build real ML models. Step 3, scikit-learn is your playground. It's a Python library that lets you build everything from linear regression to decision trees and clustering algorithms without drowning in complex code. Start simple. Train a model on the iris dataset, classify flowers, then move on to bigger data. Play with hyperparameters, learn about overfitting, underfitting, and model evaluation metrics like accuracy, precision, recall, and F1 score. This step connects your coding and math to real-world tasks. Step 4 is where the rubber meets the road, real data. Kaggle is the go-to platform with tons of datasets and competitions to sharpen your skills. Start with beginner-friendly projects, Titanic survival prediction, house price prediction. The key here is cleaning and pre-processing data, handling missing values, encoding categorical data, scaling features. Feature engineering is your secret weapon. Creating new features can turn a weak model into a strong one. Don't rush to build complex models without mastering this. Aestiam. After you're confident with classical ML, step 5 is deep learning. This is the next level, building neural networks that power image recognition, speech processing, and much more. Frameworks like TensorFlow and PyTorch let you build and train these networks. Start with simple feed-forward networks. Understand layers, activation functions, loss functions, and optimizers. Then move to CNNs for images and RNNs, or LSTMs for sequential data like text or time series. Deep learning can be overwhelming, but take it step by step and build small projects along the way. Step 6, the final and most important. Build projects, build your portfolio, and share it. Push your code to GitHub, write blogs or LinkedIn posts about what you learned, join developer communities, and enter Kaggle competitions. Networking and visibility are everything. This is how you get freelance gigs, internships, or even start your own AI startup. Remember, ML is a marathon, not a sprint. Stay consistent, keep learning, and keep coding. So to recap, start with Python and data manipulation, level up your math, master scikit-learn, dive into real-world datasets on Kaggle, get serious with deep learning frameworks, and finally build and share your projects. Don't forget, the grind is real, but so is the reward. If you want more raw, real tech content and step-by-step guides, hit follow. Powered by Bound by Code, let's build the future together.